Hi. Ever wonder how to get the perfect tang in your mead? Make the perfect mead every time. Introducing my new Mead Acid Adjustment Calculator tool. It works with ChatGPT's AI. It's your go-to tool for fine-tuning the acidity of your mead to perfection. Whether you're working in small batches or large-scale productions, this interactive tool guides you through each step to increase the acidity of your mead effectively. No more guesswork. Forget about eyeballing ingredients. With my Mead Acid Adjustment Calculator tool, adjusting acidity in your mead is straightforward and precise, enhancing both the taste and stability of your mead. Click the link in the description below to get started using my new Mead Acid Adjustment Calculator tool today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mead making tips. I'd be so thankful.